Replace the AirPort antenna on a MacBook Pro 17-inch Unibody, step by step. Safety: power off, unplug, and ground yourself to prevent static damage. Tools: T8 Torx, Phillips 00, plastic spudger, tweezers. Confirm antenna part number. Step 1. Remove bottom case screws with T8 and organize them by location. Use a plastic spudger to pry the bottom case off and lift it clear. Disconnect the internal battery connector before continuing. Find the AirPort antenna cable along the hinge and remove the bracket screws. Detach the antenna cable connectors with tweezers and note the routing path. Remove the old antenna and align the new assembly, clipping it into place. Reconnect the antenna cable, secure the bracket, and ensure connectors are seated. Reattach the bottom case, replace screws in original positions, then power on. Verify Wi-Fi detects networks and signal strength. If needed, reseat the cable. Contact a technician if problems persist.